My God, beauties, look at this box. It is so big. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I am so excited. I was already excited to do this video, but I'm really excited because of how big this box is. This is going to be my unboxing video of Trunk Club. So I was scrolling through Facebook and I saw a lot of different ads for different styling services. And one of the styling services that popped up was Trunk Club. And I saw that it was a high-end one, but this minimum styling fee was $25. So it really caught my attention. So I decided to go ahead and sign up for it to get my first trunk. Oh my goodness. So Trunk Club, you can sign up through an app on iPhone and Apple. I'll link those all below in the description box. There's also a website, okay? So once you sign up, all right, you start communicating with someone who's a stylist. They ask you all these different type of questions. What kind of style do you have? What kind of dresses do you wear? You know, what kind of colors do you like to wear? They ask you so many questions about your style. And you're literally talking one-on-one with a person, like in a text message format. Okay, and it is so interesting to feel like you may be a robot, I don't know. But to me, I've genuinely felt like I was talking to someone who really wanted to know about my style and was very interested in knowing everything about my style so they can style me appropriately. So after you talk to the pre-stylist, it's kind of like a pre-screener, the pre-stylist, then the pre-stylist will send you all kind of outfit choices in trunks. That's what they call it, trunks, and the trunks have specific type of outfit pairings and things like that. So they send you kind of some samples, and you can look through those samples and actually pick some of the clothing items that you find interesting, or you can even request for that specific trunk to be sent to you, okay? I thought that was very interesting. So once you get some ideas of some clothing items that you like, and you send that to the pre-stylist, okay? Then you get hooked up with your actual stylist. Your actual stylist will talk to you and verify that these are the things that you want to be sent to you. And they want your feedback. They want your honesty. They ask you, how do you like this or how do you like that? I really loved that feature with Trunk Club. Before you got sent anything, you actually had a one-on-one interaction with someone asking you to describe your style, okay? I really absolutely enjoyed that part of Trunk Club. I got alerts from the app when my trunk was sent, and then I got alert from the app when my trunk was delivered to my door, and then the stylist sent me a message saying, I know it was delivered. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you like about the things. Let me know what you want to do. I loved that piece of Trunk Club. So far I really loved it. The pieces that they send you, I think the price range between these pieces range from $50 to $300. Again, this is a high-end styling service. So we shall see what is in the box. What in the world is in this box? What we got in this box? Right? Let's open it. So I just cut open this piece of the box, and it opens like this. Packaging is A1. So, I don't have no space for this. Okay. Trunk Club is a part of Nordstrom, okay? So that's partly why, of course, it's a high-end service, all right? So here is the little wording document that comes with this. It says, we hope you made some room in your closet. So it says Trunk Club, a Nordstrom company, okay? So let's see everything that's in here. So it says, hello Jasmine, get the most out of your trunk in 3 easy steps. Try on the clothes, tell us what you think. So we would leave the feedback with our stylist in the text message format. It says make your selections. Once you know what you're keeping, pack up any returns with the tags attached. Use using the included UPS label and tape strip. Schedule a free pickup on the app or drop off the trunk at any UPS store or Nordstrom. So if I don't like anything, I can send this back via USPS, or I can take it to Nordstrom. Okay, so that's very, 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 very interesting. So we got a lot of different things in here. And of course, like I said, there's that $25 credit that I have still for one of the items if I decide to keep one, which I'm more than likely am going to keep something, but we're going to see. There's a lot in here though. That's another thing what I like about Trunk Club. There's a lot of different things in here, and it is high quality stuff. So, and another thing I want to mention, when the trunk ships, the stylist kind of gives you a preview again of what you're going to receive, and they let you know that, you know, I can't wait to know how you feel about this product. I can't wait to know how you feel about that product, how it fits on you, this, that, and the third. So everything is wrapped up like this, okay, in some plastic, okay. So here we go. The first thing in here, wow, these are cute, are some nice blue skinny jeans. They're kind of stretchy. Y'all know I like that stretchy because I got that big old butts, the big old butts. So here you go. Here are these jeans. These are pretty plain jeans. They're nice, good quality, a nice wash and everything like that. Nothing spectacular going on in the back, okay? But I like the fact that they are nice and stretchy, okay? So I can't wait to try that on. These are actually the jeans that she was saying that she couldn't wait to see how I like them. So there's that. Okay, I might be treating myself this time. We'll see. Here is a nice blouse, okay? It's a nice creamish kind of blouse. It's not exactly white. It has, you know, some buttons in the front, and it has some pleating detail in the back. So that's really cute, okay? I keep saying I need these white blouses and stuff. If you haven't seen one of my Stitch Fixes, I actually mentioned that. I need some blouses, so we'll see. Ooh, this is pretty. So here's this blue blouse. This is actually gorgeous, don't you think? This is gorgeous. I want to see how much this costs though, because it's kind of light feeling. It feels actually kind of silky-ish. But it's a short sleeve, and it got a nice dip in the front. Okay, it's a pretty blue. You hear my cat meowing in the background. She wants some attention. So here's this black shirt, okay? It's like it has a nice dip in the front. It actually has a nice little tie up there in the front. Really, really cute. Really, really adorable. I can't wait to see how that looks on me, because certain shirts like that, my belly and, you know, my belly and stuff. So we'll see how that looks. Here are some nice pants. These are from J. Crew. They're kind of like a cropped type pant. They're not really too long. They're like a cropped pant. So we'll see how that fits. I like tan and stuff like that, but I don't typically wear tan and stuff a lot. So we shall see how that looks on. We are nowhere near done yet. We are nowhere near done. So here's this blouse right here with the tie at the neck. It's a nice peach color. Definitely will go nice with those khaki pants. And it has some nice little detailing around the collar. Really, 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 really cute. Really cute. I like this. Look how this gonna look. I love that. So I didn't know how I was going to feel about this next item. We'll see when I try it on. This is a nice blazer. It is actually navy blue, and it has red little dots on it. You guys know I'm not a fan of polka dot, but this is actually pretty cute, and this will be cute with a nice white top. So we'll see how that looks with my white top. So this is a nice cashmere hooded cardigan. Okay, it has pockets. You know, we women love things with pockets. It got a pocket, girl, got a pocket. And here is a hood right here, okay? Definitely nice for those nice fall days. This is sort of like a chill kind of cardigan. That's why I really liked it for. Like a nice chill cardigan to go to the store, or, you know, a nice night out or whatever. If I ever get a date night, we'll see. So here's this nice dress, okay? This is really cute, really professional looking. This is really, really, really cute. I love this detail right here on this dress. And I like the fact that it's not too tight near the butt. The butt. That's how we say it to the kids. That's why I say it like that. I need to change your butt. So that's going to be really cute. I'm excited for that. So what is this? These are some earrings. These earrings are from a brand called Nordstrom, okay? And so when they send them to you, they actually send them to you on a little case, which is really cute. And these are some rose gold earrings, okay? These are really, really adorable. Very, very adorable. And I think they would look really nice with my hair like this. Y'all like my hair like this? Please comment below if you like my hair, my natural hair like this. Please comment below if you like that. But yeah, so there's that. And it came wrapped up, well, boxed up in this nice little box. Okay. Next we got some shoes. I have never received shoes in a styling box before. Here are some shoes, girl. We got some shoes. Okay. So this styling box literally has everything that you can think of that you may need. So here are these shoes right here. They're just some gold flats. Now, they are not in my right size. They're in size 6.5. So we already know those are going to go back. I'm pretty certain that I marked my size as an 8.5. Yeah. So that's not happening. But they are cute, right? They're cute. They were right, maybe, right? These are adorable. So here are these shoes right here. They're from Sam Edelman. And they got some nice gold. Is that gold? I gotta take it out the light. They're not gold, it's silver. Some silver detailing right here. Okay, so that's really, really cute. We're on the last thing. This is it, okay? These shoes are from Vince Camuto. Okay, let me make sure these are the right size too. I don't know, we'll see. Ooh, these are cute. Now on the site they didn't look cute like this, but these actually look adorable. Okay, and here we go. These are in a size 8.5. Yep, my size. Okay, and then we got these black shoes right here. I was kind of iffy on them because of how the heel is cut, but these look absolutely adorable. These will be really, really cute in the fall and the winter. Well, I ain't gonna wear them in no snow, but I'm just saying they'll be cute in the winter. That was my trunk club. That was a lot of stuff, wasn't it? And everything was in a nice range, something that I can pick from. There's going to be something in here that I'm definitely going to love and keep. Again, this is a high-end box, all right? It is. I definitely will let you guys know at the end of the video what I decided to keep. It's definitely not going to be everything because this is a high-end box. But the items that I really did like out of everything, I liked, surprisingly, I really like these shoes right here. I think these are absolutely adorable. I really, really like these shoes. So I'm excited to try those on. I loved the dress. Here's the dress. Okay. I loved the dress. I love dresses anyway. So I love this dress. I'm excited to try that on. Okay. I didn't think I would like the cashmere cardigan. But I absolutely adore this. This is absolutely adorable. So I can't wait to try that on. I'm not too excited about this blazer, although I love blazers. I'm just not a fan of polka dots, so we'll see how that looks. But I don't think that I might be keeping that. I'm going to try to keep 2 items from this trunk, okay? I really love this. I think this is absolutely adorable. I really, really do. It's really, really cute. So I'm excited to try that on. And of course, I can't wait to try on the jeans. So my kids are coming upstairs. So stay tuned for the try on piece of this video. It's going to be epic. Okay, beauties, a bit of house cleaning. Okay, I didn't try on the shoes for this particular video, but the next time I receive a trunk club, if it includes shoes, I definitely will try those on for you. I promise, I promise, I promise. The other thing, if you decide that you want to sign up for Trunk Club, definitely use that link below in the description box. Once you sign up, you'll get your own link that you can share with your friends. And if you share that link with your friends, they purchase something and spend at least $50. You will get $50 credited to your account. Okay, so that's how you can take advantage of sharing that link with Trunk Club. So if you are interested, definitely check out the link below to Trunk Club. If you have any other questions related to Trunk Club and the service, definitely comment below. I respond to all comments. So comment below any questions that you may have about Trunk Club. Okay, you guys, what do you think about Trunk Club? Definitely write any comments below. If you have any questions or anything like that, shh. Here, come here. You want to sit down with me? Come sit down with me. Sit down. He got to be in the video. Anyway, all right. Definitely comment below if you have any questions that you want me to answer about Trunk Club. I will be glad to do so. More than likely, there will be a link below for you guys to sign up. And if there is anything that you get for using that link below, I will let you know. More than likely, I'll do a voiceover during the trial piece so you guys know what it is. And of course, it should be right here, right now. All right. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I thoroughly enjoyed Trunk Club. Thank you, Trunk Club, for styling me and sending me my first box. Okay, I'm really excited, and I loved my experience with Trunk Club. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel for new and interesting content such as this, and I will see you in my next one.